Kids that are going to high-tech high. Everywhere you walk, you see there's art done by kids, and it's representative of them unleashing their creativity, them getting out of their comfort zone. You know, kids don't really know what they're capable of until they do it.
Do more hands-on, like as they were doing in the video, they were doing like more hands-on projects. And you know, like just working together and collaborating, and I think that will help us, you know, have fun at the same time while learning. And I think that, you know, it will just help prepare you like for the outside world, so that when it is time to work in groups and stuff, you will already have that in your mind.
I think school, it does a good job at teaching you how to take tests, and that's good if you're trying to go to college and become an engineer or some fancy job like that, or a doctor. I'm not going to do that. I probably could if I tried real hard, but I don't want to have a fancy job. I want to be a welder, and I know I can do that. I'm pretty good at it. I think having a school that will teach you more soft skills instead of just how to take a test is going to be much better for me.
Every single thing we build, every big project we make, we all do it together. Same with them by heat and air stuff. Whenever we was trying to troubleshoot stuff, whenever we were just learning, we didn't know. I mean, we got it together, we teamed up, and we got our teacher to help us when we needed help.
All the white collar jobs like doctors and sort of stuff, so that can be automated, and it will be pretty soon. You can't automate a plumber or a welder or an electrician or a carpenter. You can't automate that sort of thing. That's skilled labor, and that takes training. And that's some of the sort of things that people aren't learning anymore, because you're taught to take tests and go to college and get a high-paying job. Those high-paying jobs are going away. And so you're getting taught to do nothing, to have no job. You're getting taught to be unemployed. Whereas me, who I'm not going to college, I know fairly soon after high school I can be making six figures, easily.